Hey guys, what's up, everybody? I got 2 envelopes. Yeah, my sister was like, "Yeah, the mail already went. Your 2 envelopes are on the thing." I was like, "Oh, thank you." Yeah, next month is my birthday. Er, 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 er. Yeah, I'm just tired of dickheads. Fucking posting nonsense in the comment section, acting like they're just making a fact and all that shit, and it gets annoying. So I have to basically either block them, and they're like, oh, blah, 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 and all that bullshit. And I'm like this. I'm like, listen, hammer time. Get the fuck out of here, Henry. As I was saying, it should not be a bad thing for anybody in a collection. Especially this kind of collection. Oh, it's only $1.48. 1984 P&D. Okay. Yeah, here they are. Oh, well, he put them in envelopes. Well, he put them in like a special casing, which I thought was pretty cool of him. And these are 1984 Philadelphia and 1984 Denver. They're in mint cello packaging too. Never released to the public. These are uncirculated. And it's not against the law for you to have uncirculated coins. Uncirculated means they were never touched by human hands. They were put in plastic and everything. So yeah, these are actually, I think, the second pair of mint cello nickels I have. I mean, I have other uncirculated nickels that are in like special coin holders, but yeah, these are the second set of nickels I have in a mint cello packaging though, and they're both from 1984, so that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm happy to have that in my collection now. So yeah, um, why do I like collecting world coins? World coins are cool to have in your collection because some have historical factors, Yeah. On the other hand, I mean, I even want to fucking add a Chuck E. Cheese fucking token to my coin collection. I do. $19.90. Ooh, okay, yeah. I mean, I only paid $1.51 for it, which wasn't bad, and I don't have 1990D. These nuts, get the fuck out of here, anyway. This is the packaging. This is also uncirculated. Who should I be thanking for this? Okay. This is yep, Cooper Coins and More. I always order from him. He never disappoints me. Never. And yep, U.S. Mint, uncirculated U.S. Mint. And this is, mind you, this is a 1990 Denver dime. Yeah, spoiler. Oh, damn. And the sides are sharp as fuck. I also heard that's a minting error. Ah, yes. A 1990 Denver. Yep. Now I have an uncirculated 1990 Denver in my hands. Yep. I like that. You remember the other day I unboxed both 1999 dimes that were in circulated condition. But it's cool to have one 1990 dime Denver uncirculated. Yeah. I might send this to get graded. So, yeah. So, those are my three new coins. I hope you liked. Thank you very much.